Hey guys, welcome to the Steel Donut. Today we've got Sesshomaru Ending by Sonia 1991. This is a Inuyasha plus Wolf's Rain crossover. And the description is Sesshomaru fall in love. That's not how those...
Sesshomaru fall in love.
With a princess who has human blood and later discover that she Naraku's daughter.
What a discovery.
Sure. Let's get started from this MS Word pasted document. Because...
Here we go. Type the document title. Pick the date. Good formatting evidence. Good formatting advice from Sonia 1991.
I've never seen that before, and I can honestly say that.
I've never seen anybody who has that as like a template in their document who didn't delete it. Jesus Christ. It's not hard. Chapter 1. The Human Princess. 900 years ago, there lived a strong Inu Diamond, and his name was Lord Sesshomaru. He ruled over the western lands of Fuddle, Japan. He was a cold-hearted Diamond who hated humans. It was a full moon night. Lord Sesshomaru went for a walk. Far from his castle, he was attacked by his enemy. Lord Tuya, ruler of the Eastern lands, he was hopeless and could not even move. He lay down half dead. Ahuman, sorry, let me try that again. Ahuman girl passed by. She took pity on him, knowing that he is a demon and he may kill her. She still helped him. She took him to her castle and treated his wounds. After 3 days, the Diamond got up. She was happy to see him. She introduced herself.
My name is Cherry. I'm the princess of the mountain people. So who are I know that are Diamond. Please tell me your name.
Gooby Pulse.
Right.
There is no reason for human to know my name.
He said he got up. Cherry gave him his robe. He took it just... He said he got up, Cherry gave him his robe, he took it, he just walked away without even thanking her. He went back to his castle. To be continued. And that's the story.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all there is to it.
The story.
Yeah, Sesshomaru, I mean, they said Sesshomaru ending. Yeah, I mean, it ended. Granted, they called it Chapter 1, The Human Princess. In 2009, they posted this, and I'm assuming they thought that they were going to put another chapter up, but that's it.
Nope. It's not how it works.
Nope. Hurt, comfort, fantasy.
I think that was a pretty conclusive ending. He put on the robe and he went back to his castle.
Yeah. He was injured. She gave him treatment. And then they went home. What the fuck?
That was Sesshomaru Ending. Sonia 1991.
Thank you for watching, I guess.